If you want to connect your Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro to PC in order to transfer data, then the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. So in my case, I have this USB cable that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna connect this phone over here to my PC. There we go. Once we connect, you want to open notifications. And then in here, we need to find the notification about charging this device via USB. Most likely it's going to be in silent notifications. You want to tap on this notification, and then once again, in order to open USB preferences. And then in here, you want to choose file transfer and verify yourself. There we go. And now, once you open your computer, you should be able to find your Nothing Phone's storage. So we can go over here, then we have the internal storage, and then we can go through our folders in order to find our photos, videos, documents, audio files, and everything else. And that is pretty much it. Now we can easily transfer files to our computer, or of course something from our computer to our Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.